In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bybit with Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your trading credentials in Bybit and how to sign into the correct server inside Metatrader 5 so your account connects cleanly. Start by signing into your Bybit account and heading to the trade section, then choose MT5. Availability can vary by region and account type, so if you don't see MT5, that's why. If you do, you'll land on the MT5 page where Bybit provides your MT5 trading credentials. Keep this page open. You'll need the login, password, and server details from here. Now, open Metatrader 5. You can use the desktop app or the web terminal. Either works for this process. Give it a moment to load so all panels, especially the navigator, are visible. Look to the navigator panel on the left and locate accounts. Right-click on Accounts to bring up the context menu. If you're on the web terminal, look for the option that lets you add or sign into an account. It functions the same way. Choose Login to Trade Account. This opens the sign-in window where you'll enter the credentials shown on your Bybit MT5 page. In the Login field, paste the MT5 login provided by Bybit. This is usually a numeric trading ID, not your Bybit email or main account username. Copy it directly from the MT5 page to avoid typos, and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the number. In the password field, enter the MT5 trading password shown or created within your Bybit MT5 section. This is different from your main Bybit sign-in password. It's case sensitive, so match uppercase and lowercase exactly. For security, don't store this in plain text and never share it with anyone. In the server field, select the exact Bybit server indicated on your MT5 page, such as the live or demo server. If it doesn't appear in the dropdown, start typing Bybit to search, then pick the precise match. Using the wrong server is a common reason connections fail. Click OK to connect. Watch the lower right status in MT5. A successful connection shows as authorized with green network bars, and your account will appear under accounts in the navigator. If it doesn't connect, recheck that the login, password, and server match what's on your Bybit MT5 page, and ensure there are no stray spaces. That's it. You've linked Bybit with Metatrader 5. Trade responsibly, keep your credentials secure, and you'll be ready to place orders directly from MT5 using your Bybit account.